As always with this Big Five series, I can never decide which side is better to look at. Today we have something super special for you. It is the 5th and final, yes, that's right, final issue of the Big Five Buffalo Double Capsule Set. Now we start off with this beautiful box. I love how it's protected here. You can also use it as a polishing cloth. Of course, we have the lovely buffalo there. This is a 4/9 pure gold double coin set. It has a mintage of only 1,000 sets, which is really fantastic, something special. And straight away, you can see the quality. Even within the capsule itself, it is absolutely beautiful. Such fine work from the South African Mint. Of course, there we can see South Africa on the coin itself, and this is that fantastic buffalo. The obverse for me is fantastic, how you can line them all up, how you've got that row of buffaloes if you had them all side by side. The quality is such a standout. Just the depth of these particular designs, absolutely stunning. It's so realistic as well. You've even got the detail right down to the hair, those small fine hairs around the buffalo's mouth, and the gold really does shine through there. Absolutely beautiful. I don't think I can say the word quality enough in regards to the South African Mint in general, but particularly regarding this series. This can be found on our website. That's www.emk.com.